Hi, and welcome to our Enex.space guides. Today we will show you how our decentralized exchanges works. Before entering, we getting started with Enecuum extension. We need to install Enecuum browser extension. Go to app.enex.space and click Connect in the top right corner. The following window open. Click Get Enecuum browser extension to proceed. Chrome Web Store opens. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up that appears. Once the installation is complete, click this extension's icon to the right of Chrome address bar and click on Enecuum to open the extension. You will be asked to set up a password for the extension. When you're done setting up the password, you will be taken to Enecuum extension start view. Here you can either create a new wallet or log into an existing one. We will click on Generate and creating a new wallet. If you do not like the mnemonic phrase that was generated, click back to go back to the start view and then click Generate to generate a new mnemonic phrase. Very important. If you decide to proceed with the generated mnemonic phrase, back the mnemonic phrase up before clicking Next. You will not be able to recover your mnemonic phrase once the wallet is created. To copy it into the clipboard, click Copy. Also, before you proceed to the next step, keep the mnemonic phrase at hand. Click Next. You will be asked twice to pick the correct word from the mnemonic phrase you have just generated. Click on the word and then click Next. When you've successfully picked both requested words, you'll be taken to the view of your new wallet. Once created, your wallet is not connected to any network. To connect your wallet to the network you started with, click Connect on app.enex.space. Click Enecuum Wallet. A confirmation window opens. Click Allow to proceed. You are now connected to the network. You can see this in the top right corner of Enex view. Here you can see the following: name of the network pulse, balance of your wallet in which tokens, address of your wallet, logging into an existing wallet. To log into an existing wallet, open Enecuum extension, enter the mnemonic phrase for the wallet and click Login. You will be taken straight to the wallet view. Working with Enecuum extension, once you're logged in, the extension shows the contents of the wallet window once logged in. Assets. This section lists the tokens held in the wallet as follows. Sending tokens, click Send. The following window appears. Fill in the recipient wallet and the sum and click Send. No further confirmations needed. To send another token, select it first by clicking on it in Assets. Then proceed in the same way. Accounts. Add mnemonic account. Connect ledger. Import key. Networks. Enecuum extension supports working with multiple networks. When you install Enecuum for the first time, there's only 2 networks available. Add network, switch network, click Select on the networks bar in the extension. The window will be redrawn, showing the new network in the header. DApps this far, Enex same as the big/desktop Enex. Corresponds to the mobile app view. Wallet same as Explorer wallet interface. Faucet add bit tokens. Nice to test some new features. Referral. Insert a referral code or share yours. People can scan your QR code. Set password. Here you are able to change your password. Window. This option makes a new Windows what is changeable. Pop-up window. This option you can turn on or off. Logout. In here can you log out? Don't forget to save your password and other important information. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.